Let's look at the different lessons offered in the registration process. We offer a wide range of lessons in two formats: live classes for groups at school, or big live lessons for individual students learning at home. The lessons are available at different levels and are appropriate for different age groups. It's important that you choose the lesson that fits your students' age and English level so that they feel motivated but not over-challenged. So these are the steps to take. Check the lessons available this year and choose the best one for a given group. As you can see, there are plenty of lessons to choose from. Go to the registration page. Choose live class if the students are going to be joining together in class. Or choose big live lessons if your students are going to be attending individually from home. Find the lesson you want to register for. Remember, the lesson times displayed here present the time in your time zone. Choose a lesson that has a space and click on register. You'll see a summary of the class you're signing up to. If the time looks different here, that's because it's displayed in Universal Coordinated Time. Input your country and your email address and click on Next Step. Fill in all of the fields that you're prompted to, agree with the privacy policy and click on Sign In. Congratulations, you're going to join a live class with your students. If you scroll down, you'll see you have access to the lesson link, but this will also be sent to you via email. Here's our confirmation email. We have the Zoom link to attend the lesson. Because this is a live class, we're instructed not to share it with our students. If it were a big live lesson, then we would share it. We've also got access to our lesson toolkit. This includes pre-lesson tasks for our students to help prepare them for the class, the student worksheet to be used in the lesson, which can be distributed beforehand. In a big live lesson, we can send this worksheet to our students digitally. And we've also got our teacher's notes with instructions on how to support our students during the lesson. If in the end we can't attend the class, then it's good to cancel it. This will free up a space for another teacher and their students. For the best international experience, we only allow 2 groups from the same country to join a live class. Big live lessons can be joined without any restrictions. We look forward to seeing you in one of our live classes or big live lessons soon.